Hi DIY doers, I'm Belle and welcome to my workshop. So in today's video I wanted to go through how to create your own custom cut settings in LOKLiK Idea Studio. Now unfortunately this feature is only available for the iCraft. The LOKLiK Crafter doesn't support this yet. Hopefully it will, but it's not looking great. Okay, so first what you want to do is turn on your machine. After that, you can go up to your little profile picture, go to settings, and then right down the bottom there's a materials management. And we can press start. Now you can connect your machine either via USB or Bluetooth. I'm going to do Bluetooth. And then we connect. And complete connection. And now we have the materials management screen up. So we have all the settings for LOKLiK, all the preset settings. Now you can edit these. So if you've got flock heat transfer vinyl, their force is 6.3 and you found that 6.3 is not cutting through, you can actually go into here, press edit, and you can change the force to 6.5, give that a try. You might find that the speed is too high, so you could slow it down if you wanted to. Or you could increase the number of passes. After you've done that, you press save. I don't want to save that because I like that setting. And you've got LOKLiK settings, HTVRont settings. I've typically found that these two are the same, so they should probably just combine this into one. But yeah, maybe in a future update. And then we have other. So this you could use this other setting. So if you have, say, a different brand like Cricut HTV, you could set one of these as Cricut HTV, and then you'll know that that is for the Cricut HTV that you have. To set your very own material though, we can go to My Materials. Now I've got a couple materials set up here already. I made some kiss cut and die cut sticker settings, an acetate setting, and I've noticed now, I'm not sure why it happened or if they're going to change it, but when you create a new material label, you can't use the space bar anymore. I hope they change it back because I don't like this. It just looks messy. But anyway, let's go and add our own material setting. So we can go to Go Add and we can type a material Let's go HTV underscore glossy. Make sure you are putting like a material name that you will remember and it represents that product. So you're not just saying HTV1 or something, because you may find later that you have no idea what that is. So we've got force 6. I'm going to change it to 7. And force range. So this is when you get into the cut setting, like when you go to cut your project, there is a select range. So you can actually minus your force or add on to your force just before you do cut. So this is just that range, and I normally do 1 below, so 6.0, and then I normally do 2 above. I might just change this to 10. And that'll give me a range so I can change the force if I need to. Say you might have like a dulling blade or something and you need a little bit more force to cut through it. You can just up the force a little bit in that cutting screen. So it's a good feature. And we are using the fine point blade with HTV, and we can bump this up to speed 5, and we only need 1 pass. So now all our materials are saved. We can press save. And they're saved. Now at the moment, there's really no way to delete these. So say if you didn't want glossy sticker paper anymore, you can press edit and you can change it to a new material. You can totally change the name. So we could totally change the name, change all the speed, number of passes, the blade and everything, and then save it again. And now it's that setting. So apart from that, you can't really delete a setting that you've added. Hopefully they will change that in the future, in a future update. Yeah. Okay, so that is how to create your own cut setting for your specific material. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys have a craftastic day, and I will see you in the next video.